While several options can be used for hair removal, waxing is surely the best possible solution. It has significantly fewer side effects than other methods, and most importantly, it can be performed at home, which is a significantly more affordable situation. Today, we will talk about how to wax your legs at home. So let's get to it. Firstly, you need to prepare your skin for the procedure. The preparations are done at least one day before the waxing, so have that in mind. You'll need to apply cleanser to the skin, then use an exfoliator, and lastly, apply moisturizer. This will help in preventing the formation of ingrown hairs and reduce inflammation. Now, the waxing itself can be done in multiple ways. In this case, I'll be using a complete waxing kit. Melt the wax according to the manual that comes with it. I usually melt it on the middle setting. To apply the wax on your legs, you'll need wooden sticks, which usually come within the package. But you can always purchase more at your local cosmetics store or a pharmacy. Before you get to waxing, be sure to apply a baby powder since it absorbs the skin oils and makes the whole hair removal process easier. Be sure to test the temperature of the wax on the inside of your arm, because if the wax is too hot, you can easily burn your skin. That is why I always use the middle setting since it melts the wax at the right temperature for me. Ideally, you'd want to work with smaller sections on your leg. Yes, it makes the process longer, but the hair removal will be much more thorough and less painful. Apply the wax using the wooden sticks in a direction of hair growth. Make sure the layer is thin and smooth. Next, before the wax gets cool, apply the waxing strip on top of the wax, press it firmly and smooth it in a direction of your hair growth. The best tip is to leave a small portion of the strip without wax, so it serves as a handle. Remove the strip in a single motion coming against hair growth. It is best to be as close to the skin to make the process less painful. In case the pain is unbearable, apply pressure with your hand as soon as the strip gets removed. This whole process is repeated until you finish your both legs. Right after finishing, I use the Calo Hair Inhibitor Spray. This is a product that affects the hair follicle and, if used long enough, prevents new hair growth. If used after waxing, it completely stops hair growth, and if used after shaving, it just reduces the hair growth frequency. This is especially useful for women like me who, due to excessive hairiness, have to wax very often. Applying the spray directly onto your skin is significantly more effective. But if you are going over body portions like the bikini area, it is better to apply Calo Hair Inhibitor by using round cotton pads instead. I have been using the product for some time now, and the results were noticeable already after the second or third session. Now, from waxing once every 2 weeks, I wax once every 6 weeks, which is a significant result for me. If you need more information about this product and are wondering if this is the right thing for you in the battle against the excessive hair growth, feel free to use Calo's virtual assistant. Also, you'd want to use a solution that prevents ingrown hair formation. I use Calo's Ingrown Hair Treatment product. You can also use any cream containing salicylic acid for the same purpose. In case there is leftover wax on your body, use body oil to easily remove it.